Hey man, we got a super special one in the box today. This is my first time, seeing these things in hand, seeing what they're hitting for. And I'm telling you right now, based off the photos I've seen, I think that a lot of people might gravitate towards these. People might snag them up. But who knows nowadays with Jordan Brand. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to today's video, man. You guys already know, man. It's always greatly appreciated if you pull up, come see what your boy is talking about. And we bring you guys these early looks, man. It's the second early look this week, and I had to set you guys off right this Saturday with a nice early banger, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and please do a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. And real quick, bro, while I got y'all here, let me know if you did pick up the Air Jordan 1 black and whites, the reverse panda, the white shadows. There's a bunch of names surrounding that sneaker. And the homie, he got kicks, made a good point. He said that's the best one, of the best sneakers to get to customize into the Air Jordan 1 Breads, which is a pair that I do not have in the collection. I have the satins, I have the patent leathers, but I do not have the, the original, the OG makeup of the bread. So hey, I'm trying to find somebody that customize sneakers so I can make them the Air Jordan 1 Breads for myself, man. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into today's package. And real quick before we do, bro, check out the box, man. I don't know what's going on with UPS, bro. It's like they do not care about your package anymore. Like literally the tape is already off on the box. I don't know what's going on with that, and I forget which side is the top. I think this is it right here, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. I had to bring out the Rambo knife today, so I feel like these might be some low-key heat, bro. Might be some low-key heat. It's only one downside to the sneaker, which I can probably feel where y'all coming from, but other than that, bro, it's still a nice colorway. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's get into it. Let's see what the box and all that good stuff is hitting for. And okay, here we go, bro. Here we go. And this is new. Hold on. Net of Porter. Who is this? Open me important document inside. It has the invoice and all that good stuff. And maybe I'm tripping about who I thought I purchased these from. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. We're going to get into this later. But I don't know what Net a Porter is. The packaging inside the box is crazy. I could have swore I got these from the homie. But now they got me thinking a little bit differently, bro. Let's go ahead and get all this tissue paper out of the box. And I got to make sure I bought these from who I think I bought them from. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Throw the box to the side. Porter like ribbon on the front. So I'm guessing it's like a resale shop or something like that. But you go ahead and unbolt this thing right here and get into the box. You guys see it, bro. Huge red Jumpman up top. You guys see you do have a 10.5 and an Air Jordan 5. So we're going to read that real quick, man. Women's, that's the big kicker, bro. Air Jordan 5, retro, white, lucky green, and black. And I got these in the size 10.5. I tend to go true to size with my Air Jordan 5s just so I don't, be walking around with some bolts on my feet, man. So let's go ahead and flip these things open. You guys can see it does come with your quality control sticker right here. And you also get this little stamp right here on the side, man. But let's go ahead and peel the tissue paper open and let's see what we got, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, bro. Here we have them, bro. Here we have them, the Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, in hand, these joints is some gas, boy. I ain't gonna hype it up or nothing like that. These things is tough, bro. Let me go ahead and pull both of them out of the box, and I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed. It's just so crazy that Jordan Brand does this all the time. They literally do it all the time, bro. They always make these women's exclusive like bangers, bro, and they do it to where it's not extended sizing, which I'm not too sure about right now, but I did hear that they were not extended in the sizes. But look at these, bro. The leather is pretty plush. The craftsmanship, that lucky green hit, man, all that good stuff is A1 with these joints right here. And you also got the, the infamous 2-3 on the bottom right there, as you can see, man. But these right here, bro, I'm feeling them, bro. I'm definitely rocking out with them. And they did give us the black tongue. And I feel like a shoe that a lot of people do want is the fire reds with the black tongue. You guys know back in 2021 or 2020, we got the fire red 5s, but we got it with the reflective tongue. But a lot of people want to get that black tongue like you guys see on these lucky greens right here, man. So they giving the women's a crazy treatment, bruh. Super clean Air Jordan 5, and you also get that nice translucent outsole with the Jordan underneath with the green Jumpman, man. But these right here tough, bro. I'm rocking out with them. I know I'm saying the same thing over and over, but I am pretty surprised by like the quality, the colorway, And, you know, I got a lot of lucky green. I got the lucky green 1s. I got a couple other lucky green 5. I got all types of green Air Jordans in the collection. But these right here definitely do stand out. And I feel like the lace lock is a little bit different on these. Maybe it is due to the fact that it is a woman's exclusive, but it's not like a true translucent. Kind of like got this cloudy look to the lace locks pacifier, whatever you guys do call that, man. So that's pretty cool right there. But I think the icing on the cake has to be the black tongue with the 2-3 on the side, man. You didn't get no Nike Air, bro. Did not get a Nike Air. Just got your regular Jump Man on the back right there. But I feel like if they even would have did like a Nike on the back, people would have been mad about that. Like, it's always something. You can't please everybody. But nonetheless, bro, I feel like the caging is different too. Or maybe this got it to where, you know, you got the white caging right here. And you also get the white netting underneath this, which give it a little bit more pop, you feel me, as far as, you know, how the sneaker stands out. Glad they didn't go over the top throwing green or black or nothing like that. I think it's literally perfect how it is. And like I said, the only downside, bro, why did they make these a women's exclusive? I don't know, bro. I don't know why they did it. But man, you guys know, I've been saying I'm super selective with this shit with the cops, you feel me? I've been preaching it. But these right here might be staying in the collection. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'll be keeping it real with y'all, bro. Every shoe I've been picking up this year, I'm telling y'all, if I'm keeping it, if I'm letting it go, if it's about to be sold and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna keep it real, bro. I am on the fence of keeping these, bro. I'm definitely on the fence. Give you guys another 360 look. You guys let me know right now, down below in the comment section, bro, how you feeling about it. I am super pleased. I'm super like surprised on how they did come out. And again, I keep saying it over and over, Nike, you only had one mistake. You made one mistake, bro. You made a women's exclusive. Why? I ain't hating on the women's. I'm not hating on the women's exclusives at all. But I just feel like, you know, some sneakers, y'all should try to give at least extended sizing or just make it just a general release to where people can, you know, try to go out and get them. But I'm telling y'all, bro, the black tongue, the 2-3 on the side, will give it more of a reason to go out and grab these things, man. I'm a huge fan of these joints, bruh. I'm liking it. I don't know what it is about this sneaker, bro, because I have a lot of lucky green colorway sneakers, and I don't, you know, go and grab them. I'm not like, I'm about to wear these today. But these right here, bro, I feel like I got some dope fits that go with them. Like I said, the leather quality is good. You got the white laces, no extra laces, as I can see. But man, it's gonna be a dope springtime, summertime sneaker right here. And if you will be snagging them again, bro, let us know down below in the comment section. I'm super excited. I can't be the only one that's loving these. I can't be the only one, man. But again, man, one last 360 look at the upcoming Air Jordan 5 Lucky Green Women's Exclusive. These joints do release, I think, like next week. I think they release next week. I'm gonna check the sneakers app really quick just to be sure so I ain't putting out no bad info. I usually get a shoe and I do everything raw, uncut. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can see my natural reaction to the shoe. I never go too scripted with it because I want to keep everything organic over here, man. But these things are releasing February the 28th. You guys can see it on the Nike sneakers app. It is loaded. These will be retailing for $210. I think the 28th is Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the 28th is actually Wednesday. So if you guys will be snagging them, bro, please let us know down below in the comment section. I know I talked y'all head off today, but man, I'm impressed. I'm definitely impressed. And real quick before I let y'all go, you do get the Air Jordan on the back of the tongue. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let's get this video up to 400 likes, man. Actually, let's get up to 500 likes. We got an Air Jordan 5. That'd be greatly appreciated. Share with a friend, and all that good stuff, man. And with all this being said, again, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.